And welcome to the banner generator tutorial video. In this video I want to show you how to create a banner with banner generator and then how to save your template or save your banner after you've finished creating it. So we're going to start with the size tab and just work our way until we're finished with the banner. In the size tab it's very simple. You just want to select the size banner that you want to create. You can choose from the drop down menu here to the left, and as you can see there's various style banners that you can choose from. Or you can click on the box that says custom size and simply use your slider to get the desired width and height for your banner. For this demonstration we're just going to use a standard 468 by 60 banner, which you see most places on the web. And once we're happy with that, we're going to go to the background tab to select our colors. Now you have some options. You can choose a single color, you can choose two colors, which will create a nice fade to the banner, or you can import an image from our pre-made images that we have or from anywhere on your PC. So to do a single color, you would simply just click on select color, find the color that you want, and as you can see it changes the color. If you want a two color, you simply click on two color and select the two colors that you want. Now for an image, you can click on the select an image. By default it's going to take you to the backgrounds that we have pre-made for the software. Now what you'll have to do is, if your banner is 468 by 60, then you'll have to locate that folder, which is here. Click on that and then you can see what you had to choose from here. And say we just do this one right here. Now what we'll have to do is we'll have to come back to single color and change that color to white. Click OK. And then click on image again. And that gives us the banner image that we wanted to import. Now you can also click on select an image, and instead of looking in the background tab, you can go to the left hand menu right here and you can go to your desktop, you can go to your computer's main folder, you can go to computer, that would take you to the C drive, and you could search your programs and files or wherever you wanted. So you're not limited to using our pre-made banners. You can select your own. Say you have one on the desktop, you would just simply click on desktop, scroll down until you found the folder where you have that banner, and just import it. Push open and then it'll import it into Banner Generator. Okay, to enable a border, you would just simply click on this and slide this left or right to create your border. You can also change the border color with this selector to to anything you want, and you can change the border type. You have a normal, a dashed, a double, and a double dashed, so that's also an option. For this example we're going to use the two color, and we'll change this border. I'll just change it to black. Okay, we are basically done the background tab. That's how that works. Just remember that if you want to import an image that matches your banner, just click on image and select that image. Okay, let's move on to the Forms tab. On the Forms tab, you can select from some pre-made images that we have built into the software. Something you want to keep in mind is that the banner is 468 by 60, so you know you don't want your image height to be more than 60, or it's going to take up all the space on your banner. So what you would do is, if you wanted to make it a little smaller, say 50, you would just do that and then select your image. And as you can see, there's different images. Like here's a button, like for a buy button or a click here button. You could use those images. You have an icons that have some black and gray icons that you can use. You have the mini folder, which has smaller icons of different things related to computer internet stuff. You have the miscellaneous folder, which has some 3D color graphics on it. You have the old style folder, which has a few images in it. And then you have the PC folder, which also has some images in it. So for this example, we're going to use the love letters. We'll just click open. And then this image alpha, what it does is it makes the object stronger or weaker. So if you say you moved it down to 50, it would fade out where it would be almost transparent. So this would be full transparency. This would be full opacity. And then once you have that to the desired place, you just click Add Image, and then click OK. And then that adds our love letters to here. Now you can add your text here. To add the text, you just click in the box and type it in. Again, the text alpha would make the text transparent or opaque. You can also change the style of the font, whether you want italic, bold italic, or regular, and then also the size of the font. And down here you can change the color of the font, which will change to white. And then if you live in another country or use different letters, you can choose from this menu here. For this example, we'll use Western. Once you have everything like you want, you just click OK, and then simply click on Add Text. And push OK. The text has been added. The text is a little big, so what we'll do is we'll right click on this to delete the text.